Hi, my name is Mike. I'm the Operations Director here at Vagbremtechnic. Today we're showing you a short video of the machining process that goes into our brackets and our bells, as well as a little video of the two-piece rotors being assembled here in the building.
Hi, my name's Steve. I'm in charge of sales here at Vagbremtechnic. Whether it be an online order or a sales call, chances are you'll be through to me or one of the team here.